Good morning students, welcome back to my maths online class. So in our previous class we discussed about fractions, right? Like fractions, unlike fractions, proper fraction, etc. So today we will discuss exercise 5.1. So all of you open your books, page number 55. See question number 1. Find the least common denominator for each part by multiple method. Here we have to use multiple method to find out least common denominator, means LCM of the denominators. To find out LCM of the denominators we have to use multiple methods. So in our previous classes we discussed about multiple methods. Okay, so let's take an example. Example A. See, we have to write multiples of 3. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. How can we got these multiples? By multiplying the number with natural numbers. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, like that. And if we write other multiples also, then we will find more common multiples, but that is not necessary. See, multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and dot 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 and so on. So here we have to find out what are the common multiples. See, the common multiple here is 15. Okay, so we have to find out the least common multiples, means the smallest multiple. So here we have got the least common multiple, which is 15. So like this you can use multiple method to find out LCM of denominators of these given fractions denominators. Okay, now see question number 2. Find the least common denominator for each part by division method. So we have already discussed about division method. So I hope you all understood in my previous classes. If you have any confusion, ask me. And now I am going to do example A for you. You have to do the other as your homework. So in question number 2 we have to use division method to find out LCM or least common denominator for each part by using division method. So I have used division method. Here the denominators are 2, 3 and 4. I have write like this, and I will go for the smallest prime number, which is 2. 2 1s are 2, 3 remains same because 3 is not divisible by 2 and 3 is a prime number, so it remains same. 2 2s are 4. So we have got the prime numbers. So therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 is equal to 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay, so LCM is 12. So like this do the others. Okay, question number 3. Compare by finding the LCM of the denominators. We have to compare these two fractions, given fractions, by using LCM, by finding LCM of the denominators. We have to first take LCM of denominators and after that we can compare. Okay, see, first we will find out LCM of 3 and 5. 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. So we can find out LCM of prime numbers very easily by multiply that two number. So the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Only you have to multiply that and you will got the LCM. And now see, how can we compare? So here we have find out the LCM, which is 15. Now we have to make the denominators equal to the LCM. Understand or not? We have to find out these 3 by multiplying something to get this 15. See how? So 3 ones are 3. Read the multiplication table. I have found 3 5s are 15 or not. And now see, here we have multiplied 5 with this 3, and the number which you will multiply with the denominator, the same number will be multiplied with the numerator. So this is 10 15. Now here we have found 15 as denominator, which is the same equal as LCM. Okay, now it's done. Five 3s are 15. 4 we have to multiply it 4 by 3. So if denominators are same, then it will very easy to find out which is greater or which is smaller. See which is greater. Here 10 by 15, here 12 by 15. 10 is smaller than 12. 12 is greater than 10, yes or not? So this fraction is greater than this fraction, right? Use this symbol. 12 by 15. 10 by 15 is smaller than 12 by 15. 10 by 15 means what? 10 by 15 means 2 by 3 is smaller than 4 by 5. 12 by 15 means 4 by 5. So here use this sign. Understand? So like this, compare the other fractions, okay, by finding the LCM. Now see question number 4. Fill in the blanks for equivalent fractions. Fill in the blanks for equivalent fractions. Here see, to find out equivalent fraction, we have to multiply the same number with denominator and the numerator also. Here see, 3, here 12 is given. So here's a 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So here 4 is multiplied by 3 to get 12. So what we have to do, we have to multiply the same number 4 with the denominator, and we have got 20. So the answer is 20. Okay, see this also. What number is multiplied by 7 to get 28? So to do all these problems, you have to memorize the multiplication table very clearly. Okay, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So 4 is multiplied by 7, 7 4s are 28, and we have to multiply the same number with the numerator also. 6 4s are 24. So answer is 24. Understand? So like this, do the others. Okay, this is your homework. Now see, write the question number 5. Write the fractions in ascending order. Here you have to first find out LCM of these 3 denominators. After that, make it equivalent, and then you can find the ascending order. Okay, I will do one example for you, and by applying the same process, by find out LCM of all the denominators, you can find, or you can write the descending orders of these given numbers. Okay, so see this example. LCM of these 3 denominators is, I have used division method to find out the LCM. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. After multiplying all this, I have got the LCM. So now we have to make all the denominators equal, and equal means we have to find out 30 by multiplying particular numbers with the denominators to get this LCM. Okay, so 5, what number will be multiplied by 5 to get 30? That is 6. 5 6 are 30. and the number which we have multiplied by denominator, the same number we have to multiply with the numerator also. So 6 is multiplied by denominator and 6 is multiplied by numerator, and like this I have used that same method to find out to make the denominator equal. Okay, and therefore the ascending order is, this is small, 14 is smaller than 24 and 27, so I have write this first in the ascending order, and ascending order means from smaller to bigger. So first of all this is smaller, 7 by 5, and then 24 by 30 means 4 by 5, and the largest fraction is the 27 by 30 means 9 by 10. So this is the ascending order. Okay, so like this do the other examples. Okay, now see question number 6, write the fractions in descending order. So I have used the same method. So same, first you have to find out LCM of the given denominators, and the LCM is 30. We have to make the denominator same equal to the LCM. So I have done this, and the descending order is this, 5 by 6 is greater than 4 by 5 is greater than 2 by 3. So this is the descending order, means from bigger to smaller. Understand? If you have any confusion, ask me. Okay, so like this do the others. If you have any confusion, contact me without any hesitation. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day ahead.